beautiful love that comes once in a lifetime. And I'm pretty sure that you are that love of mine.